Hey there, my name is Jonas Olson, and here's another Turf Badger tip of the week. So I've been getting a lot of Facebook messages, texts, and calls, all three like in one day, and they're all about the same thing. Like, why does my lawn look like it's seeding? Like, what is this weed that's in my yard? How do I control this? And I was walking out to my mailbox the other day. It was early morning, the sun was just coming up and my grass was a little bit long. Lo and behold, I looked over and my lawn was going to seed as well. So first, let's talk about why your lawn looks like it has seeds. Well, your grass is just like any other plant. It has to reproduce, it has to grow a flower, drop the seeds drop into the soil, and the seeds reproduce to grow new grass. So typically your lawn goes to seed every single year. And here in the Midwest, it's anywhere from May to June. The good news is that if it is going to seed, that means your lawn is actually really healthy. So the bad news is that there's nothing you guys can really do to prevent it or to stop it. So I wouldn't necessarily even try to do anything. Just stay consistent. Keep mowing on a consistent basis, and after 2 to 3 weeks, your grass will just come back to normal. A lot of people ask me if the seeds that fall will actually turn into grass, and the answer to that is no. And that's because all the seeds that we buy these days are all hybrids and they're completely sterile. And even if they weren't sterile, they'd have to grow so tall in your lawn that you'd be getting calls from your HOA or even the police before they could even drop seeds. During this time, I do have a few recommendations. Make sure you guys are always mulching your clippings. There's a ton of valuable nutrients in those seedlings that you guys don't want to miss out on. Next is to make sure that you guys are watering consistently. And also during this time, make sure you're definitely fertilizing. Your grass uses a ton of energy and a ton of nitrogen to try to grow out through this phase. If this video was helpful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you need help in the Green Bay, Appleton areas, give us a buzz, 920-634-6780, or check us out at turfbadger.com. We'll drop a link in the description below, and we'll see you guys next time.